Yamamo Akwaba. Mu ankasa emfa ensomo. Yensha kase bona se efafri Ghana mampani. John Dramani Mahama. Edi adohye nsem edi ato Ghana man nyina mu sem. Na oman Ghana enya de obetena se ayenhwe hansa ma nipa bi ekopie mu US. Anase amafoforo bi so ekodi nsem hunu. Na wonom ebo nasan. Anase omode ne ba se dipoti bi a na oman Ghana na be yatena yama wonom. Ghana mampani chirim se sare motu no enya de na ba no ebe so kra. Na Ghana mampani sade tu dwamra na wonom eswe age appointees obo modin say wonom enkonkwesi omanga na na mu awa mahodo bi so ewo nkrabo premante mu endrada na yewukwada na yehwe bosome ne da na edikan emfempem mienu na de nunu mu na Ghana mampani ede nsem wei ede tuja na Ghana mampani echirem say US man ba ye no ene nipa no ubehu ane edi base ha ena munko mukrum munni to mekrata ese motena United States of America ha no musi enti munko akram na de enti Ghana mampani ede nsem say etuja no o kirem a na nsen ena osoafo no ena hwe oman Ghana ena afi nso amano no kita hudie suo me wofa se no kran so eya adehye a wonom ewo na ton abato mpesua so Samuel okugyetu abrakwa de batudwa ewo ebobusu metwa mu nde na toso du nson sem Ghana mana ye krado efrise Donald Trump ede adehye bia wonom mu firi ebiman atoye FM ede ba oman Ghana mti Ghana fui yenje wonom na osanso se yembo se enche emu mako be ya 940 besa beka ho biu nti Ghana fo ye hwe ni mu kwan na no na dam ko ba se badwam ebeka se kire mu se ne ba ne se ne se Donald Trump wanya ne ba bia kwatena US na se wode nipa bia o madi bone eda mu ko mu krom a o mu free Ghana na mu free West Africa adenti na Ghana do mo ba na no achimpu wo Samuel okugyetu abrakwa a o hwa Ghana na ma na ho kita ho die suo no adenti no amfa nkoto mase badwafo anim na ma ansi ho ginaye na won kwa da ope akoka sansem ntomu dwaye pam na Ghana mampani kirem se oman Ghana na finso oman US no ya won kitahudie ene apama hodo aya konti no se koba ne se yenya abotre na mom no na ba ne ntraso hwe ma oman Ghana yentime nya hwe han sa mom kofa ni pe modi bone emegu Ghana hada ebi nsi kura na Ghana mampani kirem se mo so mba mmode am saka visa mo kotena bi manso a mo atena ho no mo sa mo bibia atumi a spice na mo tetete ho no mo nkrata agu mote honom ne ya tse mo se mo ya kromfo Ghana mampani kirem se de mo ye no emwo visa sabe wo ye Ghana ni ukọ ma foforo bi so na won krata anya adwuma bi wa brafie wotena wo se chepe eba ne sa na ode o mama hodo aka no eduba bi pe na mo kotena ma mi so a na eteta ho eba ne se moa Ghana mampani den sensei etuja.
I wish to assure my countrymen and women that our understanding with the US does not undermine our sovereignty, security, or stability. Ghana will not, and I repeat, will not become a dumping ground for deportees, nor will we accept individuals with criminal backgrounds. The understanding with the United States is limited, carefully vetted, and aligned with ECOWAS protocols. It reflects Ghana's Pan-African commitment to regional cooperation while safeguarding our dignity and sovereignty. I urge you as envoys to protect this clarity whenever questions arise. Diplomacy involves more than just negotiation. It also encompasses managing perceptions and safeguarding your nation's reputation. Distinguished ambassadors and high commissioners, your foremost responsibility is to tell Ghana's story with conviction and credibility. You must present Ghana as 1, a stable democracy with a proven record of peaceful transitions, 2, a land of opportunity open for trade and investment, 3, a hub for technology, innovation, and a creative economy, and 4, a vibrant cultural nation and a good tourist destination, and finally, above all, a people determined to create jobs for our youth and restore dignity to our workforce. Many of you are aware that Ghana became the only country subject to US visa restrictions to secure a complete reversal from the Trump administration. Let me state clearly that this outcome was negotiated in Ghana's best interest. And one of the key points in our negotiation with the U.S. authorities was our agreement to address the issue of overstayers who travel on student visas and others who travel as part of official government delegations. I mean, these are people who go and instead of coming back, they decide to stay. And so they have the record. So when they draw the threshold and you're above it, then they cancel your 5-year visas and bring you to B5, B3. So we give assurances that we'll work with them to make sure that our people are not overstaying. So those of you applying for visas, please, when you go, come back, because you affect everybody else. And let me also emphasize that there was no financial consideration as part of the understanding between Ghana and the United States.
Any awoti ye Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama na afi walk up na de Ghana for mo nsaf be ka visa atumi akopie mo Mexico ne amama hodo akare de age mo di tuo kopam wo mo because ko mo ko no ado ya de ombesen bio sika Kuvitela tuwe waya wade pa ne second visa ibi na Ghana for qualify ko walk up na se unya Canada kwesi waka jene se overstay nyini hwe obeyene wa bio
mo fa mo mai
hwe je mo di keteke ekotu na de so yanto akase bo ne so
Yantua Kasiabone Suna Minister for Foreign Affairs, Samuel Kujeto Black Quadia Betuja Chemuse, man tem dunsi and no one Ghana Muninano, Encodu a year penima bosome one Fimpimi, Nunia Dunum Nimudie, not just say, or must say a passport application center, our honum, Sanya Baya, a passport hunju mediano, ebetimi akoso. No chema we bua sanya beya eba passport won sensema obi ebetimi anya akwanya no wo mayimu sanya beya omonso nsa ebetimi akabi no din semi etuja wa bra omode aye diplomatic passport ede magana fo eye enum yi eye travel eye vlogger eye wude maya sanso ana Grammy nominated reggae artist eye Rocky Dawuni broadcaster any entrepreneur eye Anita Elkin Anna contemporary visual artist Ibrahim Mahama any British Ghanaian entrepreneur Denta Amwatin MBE omode diplomatic passport Emma Wamnadi Sansem way Eddie tu Jano Chemuse Sansa Saya Ekoso Ministry of Foreign Affairs Yibebua na kwanya wasa on sansu timika passport no enche bia on sabetimi aka eno no anya de abefo how bebre mu nto mo bomode ahwese enkosi opanima abosomi won fimpimienu ne aduonunum ne de na passport application center no masibi wo mantem eno wo oman Ghana mu.
And those who don't know how efficient Ghana's foreign ministry has become, this is another example. We've become very efficient, and Ghanaians are already confirming that now it is so smooth a process. They are receiving their passports in record time. It's been distributed to them via courier, so they don't have to stress to go to passport application centers across the country, sometimes outside their regions, because we still have 7 regions without passport application centers. So imagine traveling all the way from Bolga, from Wa, from Oti to other regions for passport. But I'm delighted to confirm to you this evening that we've set a target. By December, we are going to make sure every region in Ghana has a passport application center. So we are solving
DLFM 106.9.
The first one will be commissioning, will be done this month in Bolgatanga. So the efficiency is very clear, and you can all attest to that.
And where she and a Minister of Foreign Affairs Samuel Kujeto Black Quadio Tujano Chemuse Ghana for enum yomudi diplomatic passport Emma womu yi eyade omo sefata ye pa na emomanya de obi ererase bia na omde ma wananse enya amanyosem nti anomde diplomatic passport no edema wom.
Now I want to state for the record, and I want our colleagues in the media to highlight this. None of our distinguished Ghanaians here who have been honored today to receive these diplomatic passports applied for it. They did not lobby for it. They did not initiate the process. This is entirely a country that says that it is time to honor our heroes and that these people are deserving. And it was done very objectively, meeting as management, consulting our colleagues at the tourism ministry. You know that one of your own, Mamaga Ablajifago Mashid, you know she will give us good advice. She's the best consultant we can have.
DLFM 106.9.
So we want to state for the record that this is not something that was applied for or that was lobbied for. We decided that it is time to honor you. Secondly, we want to also state that there was no political consideration, no partisan consideration at all. we have not asked anybody to show us a party card. We are not interested in that because this is about Ghana. It's about the flag of Ghana. It's about the image of our country. You have made us so proud.
Eniya uti ye Samuel Kwadwo Sammy and a Minister for Foreign Affairs.
Yantua Kasiabano so any Nhyiraba our coalition of unpaid nurses and a midwife for Wamajapa, we are nurse for one marketria, Aquayan Simpi or Mayma, one Monsenkane, one multi stage protests, and the demonstration akoso. Ewa na yawa day. Him bus my wonder tossum you know, and fame pim you know, near the no more, remaining yadam. One bus marketria, one moje, Eddie Free Ghana, a buying and chain. Na ekwayi chirema wono dodo ba ya send ye empemson 7,000 na omoye nurse for anafi nso midwife for ene wo kwa ayarsabia na akwo na moji wawo omo chiremi se wo hwe adwumade omoye pa wo mayimu eboa eji nipa nkwa eji amanfo eyiremu awo wo mayimu omoye adwuma sa bosome nkron ene bosumi duntam ni wambusuma ketua no emma o nso da biada osoafo hwe apomuden so no wagina ketua siwo edema ya sabia na wagina ketua nanso nurse for ene midwife we na gbosuma ketua ne de emada adwumaden no maye saa kapreba omunsenka bi na nurse for ne midwife we chiremu a omo ye kire na se edifri efua Sunderland eye children's park enkrebo premantemu warmo mache etete omo na mu saa de kopie mu wasoye a ehwe omanga na sika semso ena afinso asoye so no ena ehwe omanga na yapomoden eso na mu chire na petition ekwa koma worma ka kire mo say in fact pen wasini pen empenifo se de yaw na anya wo ya yenya ofaye abdenti nipa nurse ni bedwade abapada akwatan yarsabia akwasa yade akwaje abatan ena afinso amanfo yeremo awo ombewie na bosuma ketua muntua bone be na maye mom na covid de makuo no eye 7 Kwadwo techi eye techi ekiremu a de akwaso na eya pa wonu makasa saa bosoma akoma be duntam ni adentina bosuma ketua ne muntua wa mu kiremu a yenka nkira abanse de akwaso na eya ekwam etwa nurse fo na afinso midwife fo no eden pam na sabe obibi ne bobonua ka beto akoma bi ama no seda de Lumba anyom kan ye no enti ehu de o mabre pa enti o mayo ye chance akopem sa ban betu o kante sa de a ye kire no o munya ne enya kire na ma mu hye mu no o moto nyum se din sem sei e kire mpanimfo
We are hungry. 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 We are hungry.
DLFM 106.9.
We are dying. 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 We are dying.
Enti wotre nyuma na nurse for na fi midwife we yetona ene we are dying slowly there's a year to boss yewu ketenkete yewu ayewu no ehu pa yewu nya enti amosra Ghana mampeni no mom ka biewum said the adru na no oten na no ache no na nurse for no beje mre ene de yakasa bototwe nkwa na wonu mu kiremu in fact obi kwa yala sabia na omatunufo aka kire ne say omosre nada da kuru bi anya hwe krampu no se so didi emprensa 3 times a day na bo mani pana pomuden akonka na meke se omanga se omaya nurse fo omo sayade na wonu mutu obi fo no omunya aduane ni o e confite eku abokoto etwe no ne to anwapadada so bi na eku wono mani senti ewe pa betumi ahye omu nkran ma ya adwumaden etumatu obi fo se da kuru ne imprensa na ehu pa
we are not machines. We are not robots. We are human beings. The government should pay us. Even machines, they fool them. How much more human beings? They should pay us. In fact, we are suffering. We are suffering. The government should pay us. Hunger is killing us. When are they going to pay us? Before the money will come, we are all sick. Are we going to use the same money to pay for medical bills? Please. The government should listen to us and pay us.
We are not able to cater for ourselves, not even a 3 square meal. All that we are asking is that the government should pay us now. We can't be on the wards and then advise patients to be eating at least 3 times a day to be healthy. Meanwhile, we ourselves, we cannot even afford 2 square meals. We need our pay. Thank you.
DLFM 106.9.
Omuhia mbosuma ketua. Ndi de aduro no. Aban fa sika na mre wo. We ya nurse fo a and na fe nso midwife fo omamje awo wa sabe no mu chirim say omabre pa busumi du ntemni omunsem kom busuma ketua mompene na sika sabe maka menim de enti ene Ghana maya no ne mebu no obi apeso okoye nurse no
Messi Kwadwo
munko school me pa adwuma bi sua o
nurse ana me nurse no bia pedesin
nurse for no adwuma no yentua muka o mo be pa adwuma sa
uniform ne yo mo fe
topic we need to discuss because when padodo a makwa nurse na tititi fie nya adwuma yakakra ye form adwuma kwa na kaskala tikacha mo fase for nse mesra wo mada omukọ school ni wi a omo try so mbetumi abesua adwuma aka ho wate enti se kom ne de bedo o mache sa 3 square meter ne de emfa half okra be den yento akase ebo ne so
Yentua Kasiabone Swena Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, Sam Nate George, Adjoa Agyei Sikapa, Ebon Homodinya, Hesse, Obetimi, SC, Ayasim, DBA, no Nititu, Edema cyber crime, cases, Betimi, Edi Asemno, Ewoho, Nabra Kasa, Wejumedia no model launching National Cyber Security Awareness Month, and of course, so Ewon crime 3 months, Mayu Kwada. Ahini mebosum ni dedi kan won fimpi mienu ni aduonu num ni mu ana Mr George na tedi tudwa na oche mu sesan hyehyeye efa kwan Ghana fo pese omoma tentene ne ekoso ewo man mesan cyber crime no ekoso ye pa na oche ma ye cyber security authority for any CID edema Ghana police ebo omodin atimi di djuma no bu aye mo mutimi chi omo a omo hye cyber cases no ase eno abo amu ye pa na oche mu soso a ade omo ne office of attorney general any ministry of justice ye djuma se ne be ya court no e ba se cyber crime hu sensem no betimi aka ne ye.
Ensure swift prosecution. We're working closely with the Office of the Attorney General and the Ministry of Justice to establish a specialized court to handle cybercrime issues. We express our gratitude to the Director General CID for the enhanced collaboration we have enjoyed with her outfit. Furthermore, measures are being implemented to establish sustainable financing mechanisms for cybersecurity. We're committed to establishing the Cybersecurity Fund pursuant to Sections 29 and 30 of the Cybersecurity Act 2020 to ensure the availability of financial resources to support national cybersecurity initiatives, protect critical information infrastructure, and build capacity across all sectors.
Enwachi ana Minister for Communication, Digital Technology and Innovation, Edi Tuja no chemu se wasa aban bomode no mutimi di sika de hye cyber security nimsa ne be ya no beboa no musuju medu ampeso mudi no akototen edi amawo.
Your Excellency, as we embark on this year's National Cybersecurity Awareness Month, I want us all to reflect on one truth: that securing Ghana's digital future is not solely the responsibility of government. Your Excellency, as we embark on this year's National Cybersecurity Awareness Month, I want us all to reflect on one truth: that securing Ghana's digital future is not solely the responsibility of government, but the responsibility of all of us. We also as a government must increase our cybersecurity defense budget to ensure our national resilience as we drive digital inclusion and make sure that is fully guaranteed. Together, we can build a safer digital Ghana where digital transformation is a catalyst for opportunity, innovation, and prosperity.
Ne krakra mu anodi tudwa na ochie mu se ye nipa fom so aka hu bi nti na cyber security mrano omubuso.
Ladies and gentlemen, according to a study by IBM, human error is the primary cause of 95% of cybersecurity breaches. That is, unintentional actions and inactions by employees and users can cause, spread, or facilitate security breaches. As the saying goes, you are only as secure as your weakest link. Thus, if we are to create the digitally resilient Ghana we envision, every citizen must be empowered with the proper knowledge, tools, and habits to stay safe online. We cannot leave anyone behind. Every actor in cyberspace, from citizens on their personal phones to officials working on corporate laptops and networks, have a duty to practice cyber hygiene and uphold ethical practices to protect the integrity of our digital ecosystem. Citizens must verify information before sharing. They must report suspicious content and respect online privacy. Corporate bodies, civil society organizations, and the media must lead the charge in creating awareness on cybersecurity until it reaches every corner of our country. A safe digital environment cannot be achieved without an informed citizenry. That is why this month-long campaign seeks to engage children, the public, businesses, and government through education, training, and interactive outreach.
Minister for Communication, Digital Technology, and Innovations, Sam Nate George.
Sai saba fonso mutiti nimpo wene kronobo. Hu pa o. Hu pa. Na sika make say putupru asembia si asante mu. Na anoden. Enti yanko yamani boni Samuel Ofolibo atenche na yankonkodi mu nchirimu asembe pa pote na si. Awa sentiment menyane nte say galamse pit emuna ni bia bu manipa bi ya firi mana akwa ya hosem pa wa sentiment mu na yana ye homra sisi a.
DLFM breaking news. DLFM breaking news.
Yabamo akwaba na putupru enkra abeto DL kasebo pronso echirimam. Pempren de susu se nipa beye makom yensa ena wonom akotu efum agudie mamuna no atumi akata wonom so ewo manso takrase eno no wo asante mantanim namum de okwa atan de oba atan de ogina honom no ono ene atentrodo enti yanko yema ne boni otonkra edema de kasebo ewa sentimental ne den ade Samuel Ofolibo aten ne emisa ne se nkra yetie no emu nkyeremu pa no ene sen Same
Nidia inchila wadam betonka
ma how
meju so blue wadaroma
ne mpom di sen
Adom ani afeye ne mama wesem na ba
Same nyanya ne nkra se nipa beye miensa afrimu ene ya egwo manso takrase a omukwa kotufu magudie mamuna no atumi akata wono so asem we nukura ben ene wo mu
Mimia nokure ne mum manso takrase baako ana atwema mponua so ye baako nti no ko ni mienu nyina sa de sitimi ne be ko kodin komo
ene Same fa ya sha ase free manso takrase
yo mimia bedate meyachia DLFM for me pim ewo asante mantemu se na ye nyina enu se o mampanyine his excellency John Domani Mahama ene mpedifo ene lands and lecture resources aka bum se be ya kuma kudia nkofo otu no omo enyan na emwa se be ya ensase ye pe ne da to injinima po no no omonya bi na da achi no se ne ensemtro school ni ye pe bi asio se ya le sabia ye nya bi de no ebi mo ya omadwe se omo de omampanyine ene na abemu ka ne de omo ntie kura ene omo sora na pa no mafa kuntrase ku no makoshi baabi na ne omo ya ala se ne be omonye bi adi ne mum ni nyina ban no so wonhye ya oye edi abom na before say me baba se me no di kadin kuma wa frese people pm e o manso takrase eye amanse South District ya abanka kepanyina wa eye onabo Benjamin Mafo ana tanso na member of parliament ya wa say ye wura onabo Yasempo Ado ogunde ene de fe na we pm ase ya de timemufo eye pa eye kwadwuma anomo ye na enne de ya nti asempa eye nipa maako enum anamiensa kwa adwuma som ko pebibia bedi e wo galamsey site na menu alawo semba ko ne se amran bugu wo muso sa no na nananom timemufo ne yeso maya na ko mayi omo free amran mu no omo ntimi na ko bo nananom amane e ma nananom omo manso takrase e fa snap ne nyanya ade ne kokko e ba aye bia won ma se me ko se die omo yo mo fam die na akra wo semba ko ne se enipa maako miensa no maako enye galamsey ni bi ne mu mo che enipa mlo oton aye iron works ni ade no si mo kokoyi no ano no so fa ho a me ne onzo kokoto amani mu ase se me ka se die aye manso takrase pepe die enipa maako miensa ato na nanom ewo nsiedo na ada yi omo miensa eba asase so na se people so no ba kuti die atuna ye hu ni ti no eba pim se me ne kunti so ni die akra ye hu a Obasa di excavator asa simu se ne be ya omusa tutu na omo we se be hu ni ti no ada de aka ho anati ye hu efa nka ho de akra je mu ko se de nyina ye wo ha ye bo ne ye hwe de ekoso a se bia excavator omusa de simu ye be hu enipa na ne ti ache na ye hu no na nipa dua de ye hu no na de nananom ani aseme ma ya wo krodom ya onabo Dominic Bonsu esese ta de ese de obesle se nananom ani penifo do time see ya mu yo mu from na aban no ne emlan eni ana fe so obi asase ne ne dia no anase concession ne dia no omba hwe se ye de no bako gina emlan anim no ba kira de kwanti a omo ye mine wo na aban akase yenya na so na omugusu eye mine e wa ase du pusa media enipa miensa eto amlem no ba kuti ye hu no ba ni pedia ne dia ye hu ama akoya ro se ma se no kase dia ye o man so ta kwase dia me no e kase
na same aside mansota krase na hifa bio na amuna san bu akata ade hye bi so bio yi
minua me da se eye atwuma mponia mesum ani na so asante mantem ye na awrewo sem ne se ye kope bibia bedi ene me baye de na nipa mako enum enso eye se obukope galamse sky bi abebedi kura awrewo sem si so awa atwuma mponia no ni de no e de kasa sote aho ana awrewo sem si ya nipa mako num minua wo ba hwe de wanyi kura wom ana ni mfie no eye 30 years ana do so kura wom so ana ni mfie no ye 24 years ya almost some one I mean who are
DLFM
and yes the best by so for the form na e ko so wo no on on to ase e for my wadaroma
na same fitim na asem we ni si ye no ahoba mu okom mpanimfo bi atumi aba ho no emu no jese omu nyina mu no wo hin sisi
sisi am no ka say the man so ta kwafe de no ye da ko piem e wo St Martin's Hospital o man so agrosum ana adehye no so eni mpanimfo na bom mpanimfo o ye sen ko baba na o ma be spray ho no se be ya bia ya le bia na se bisa entimi fa emma eye masota kwase krodia mentino nadbo award district assembly ho HSN manum ye no ento ase no nsemo de omahwe no de eduro aba be spray ho no nyina se be ya beboa ama eye ahunidie na se nsuo na etene kokra no obi kwose bi no ma influence agbana bi family adishia awase
all right same kwasofo oni de akire na enu animle ne besa ba won chen ni abaji update be firi mu aba
neso me da se
alright amani boni otonkra edifri asantementemu edema DL kasebo de den ede Samuel Ofoli Boaten na wote ne nkase wo kiremu a ene yada nipa makoma nwotwe na asantementemu omo ekwakotu fu magudi akwati kwanso galamsey ina muna ebu akata wor moso sika hwe sema asini
asemu galamsey
kofi mesra na fa picture na to so omo pictures na fa to so ma mesra aha fa galamsey fo no picture na to so sika me minti o dia sie no
galamsey ha adwuo nsanya de nso mo bejai ja de bie kum nkrofo de bie nso mo ye
den pa
onso mo mpenfo ka se mi se otu aduboni ebika wa no
it's about time say ye na mebu na betu ye hu kakra because we said ye Ghana sesi ana kwa na abosom na nkasa am say Ghana nsuo mu na abosom no mu nyina tuko
na mo
those days now nke be hu pa
ka betina
be so careful
amoni ho
ye o mi say edu ba bi adwuma sam adende but me yemfa ye nkwanto ento ato pressa emfa ye nkwanto ato pre ha adwen
isi sky ya open ni waja ho
na waja hoko hu pa nti omonye so careful na said emuna ne buafu sesi ni wa obedi agwo no wanhwe a na asase no anya bibi aye pam yanto akase bo no tena nyina mu nkrabo premantemu na yenkopie mu am ewo adehye wono mo adentampotem hono na mensin krache de ma hono eyo numunyamfo eye Christian Ella esinam ningo na odaresebun e de ato adehye a wono mo adenta enu se wo mo gusu asamde no gututu na ma aboa pam ema mpontudwuma tumi akoso na afiri so hoba mo nsem so bibiada etimi atodin emra ye maame Ella esinam ejemre na one dear yen amani boni ni den ede kasebo hima twetwen komo no wokire mu se meka se de adantafo monsaka eye district assembly common fan no monsaka empremier no so enti ode atadwufo wa matedende sika na ba no so de mupi anwa wom timpontudwuma de munsa beka be ye pam na wokire mu a ene project ahodo abekoso ewo eye 12 electoral areas ni nyina baby biada omoto aba ho no ma eka adenta mensin ho no empotudwuma no obia nse beka ne de na ya ma me kire ma me ka se no eye amrahia wo no clinic no wo be pagam ene kokoye no eye Paul clinic ma atrem kase pa se beboa na pomoden etimi akonka ne na de aba ko kire ma ha ne ye pa me ka se okopie mu ahye ye ho no ma eye wo no model school no o kire ma du baby ejidiboni ye pa na mtitiri nuase na wo no musua de na nsempina na beto odwo kire me se me kese de yankopon ya dom eye phase 2 project na mo ye ne kama boa ema adantan community no eye school no etima ye kese ye kama school fon be papa tumi atena enkonwa buso ema school na ya akore be boa na mpotodwuma hodo ekoso no adehye no etimi wo mani age odi nsem sei Etu yensem training. Kasebo Himeni.
Adentan, like any other districts, have received 2 batches of our District Assembly Common Fund, 2 different figures. And we intend to give each and every electoral area in Adenta. We have 12 electoral areas in Adenta, so we intend to take up projects to each and every electoral area so that they will all have a share of the national cake. So for instance, starting from Amahia, we are trying to upgrade our Amahia clinic to a polyclinic by adding a maternity ward and other facilities that befit a polyclinic. And then when you come to Kose electoral area, we are doing the phase 2 of the Agyei Model School. And then when you come to Bentana electoral area as well, we are doing the phase 2 of the Adentan Community School. I believe you saw that once upon a time, the Adentan Community School was in the news for all the bad reasons because we had students stealing and underpeas, which was not really the best. I mean, it is not befitting of an area like Adentan. So we have completed the phase 1. It was a legacy project, and we are doing the phase 2 as well. And then when you come to Ajingano, we are also doing the phase 2 of the Ajingano Polyclinic, and Otano, we have the Bethel Presby that we are completing. So each and every electoral area will be given a project.
And yet, Adenta mentioned the Obian Hobe left out. Obia Benyano son ne dian puntu juma. Enti muntamu chuku na mani beje pam. Na nuachi ena ella esenam. Chiremam. Ukopie mu ewana na kuroma nsamso ya bridge bi wo hono na bridge na sei na omoya nche na sei be yem fihye be insiente mu ni na bridge no ene omoya na sei sa o chiremam omba be ye ne kama pa se de omoya ne de na de kama ne beche pa ntomoto omo bo ase omo egusu